Hi everybody, Brian here, and today I'm making a no-bake peanut butter cheesecake. This is something that I make every year for Ginny on her birthday. So we're going to start out by I like to use McVitie's. This is a British brand digestive biscuit, very good, excellent for the crust. So we're going to take 250 grams of these and about 90 grams of butter, melted butter, combine them together to make the crust. Now that we have all this thoroughly combined and we've got a nice base, we're going to go ahead and combine that into our 8-inch diameter baking pan. Now we're going to take this guy and put him in the freezer while we make the filling. So in this mixing bowl, I have already mixed together 500 grams of cream cheese as well as 100 grams of confectioner's sugar. That is cut down from the original recipe by about half because we cut back on the sugar for diabetes and Keziah's sake. Now what I'm going to do is, now that this has all been nice and incorporated and blended smooth, I'm going to add in about 1 cup of peanut butter. Now this is smooth peanut butter. You can use chunky. I have done that in the past if you like that texture, or you can keep it creamy like this. It'll just make it smooth for the end product. So now blend this together until consistent. Okay, once you get that peanut butter mixed in, you're going to want to add a half a cup of cream and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix it all together thoroughly, and this is what you're going to be left with. From here, we're going to add this directly into our pan with our crust. Get it nice and smooth on top, and then we're going to move on to the ganache top. So ganache might seem intimidating, but it's really not too bad. So right here we have 70% Lindt chocolate. I like this brand. It's pretty decent quality. When you're making a ganache, make sure you use dark, anywhere between about 60 to 80% cocoa. Do not use milk, and do not go cheap. This should probably, if you want to go cheap on the peanut butter, go cheap on the peanut butter. You can use cheap cream. You can even use cheap cream cheese, but go pricey. Spend the money on some good chocolate for your ganache. It pays off dividends. So anyway, to make a proper good ganache, all you need to do is put in basically equal parts chocolate to cream. And that's what we're going to do. So we have 100 grams of chocolate, and that's going to equate to roughly 135 milliliters of heavy cream. Now what we'll do is we will place this in the fridge until we're ready to serve. Optimally, you'd want to give this at least 3-4 hours. If you needed it faster, you could always pop it into your freezer for maybe 1 or 2 hours, at which point it should be good to go. So anyway, that's it. Let's get to that beautiful cut shot.